want supper? Come on. Let's go. You want supper? Come on. Let's go, bud. Come on. Come on! Come on! Come on. Let's go. All sheep go to bed. And goats. Coming, Dexter? You're gonna be owl food. Let's go, bedtime. Go to bed. Go to bed. Come on. Come on. You gonna ride the door? So Pearl does. She rides the door. You riding? Let's see, he's got a Super C. He just had this one all repaired. Did it himself. And he's got, what do you got over here? His little McCormick mower. This one's an early one. This is 47 or 48 because this is McCormick Deering on it if the decals are right. Hand lift. This one here is probably the same. This one, same. These are the older ones. Until like 53-ish, 50, 53 into 54, they kind of still look like these. This one's got a different grill on it. Lucky Charms. You see there's a lot of these old tractors that you brought it out and they just grabbed it off an old dump rake or something. This is a pretty neat rig right here. It's got the bent shifter, but it's got a, on the toolbox. This one's probably 58 to 62 and it's got still got the decal on it. Today's one of my least favorite days. I have to clean out my hydrant. I have this little gizmo right here that goes on the end of my air hose and on here. Escaping out to the sides, but I'm going to go to every one of the cups. So you just go around to every single automatic waterer, every single faucet, and open it up one by one, and it moves the flow of water out towards the end. So you just start at one end and work your way back, and then when you get to the end of it, you just drain the main drain right here, and then there's no water left. So we're good for winter now. Unfortunately, now it means I gotta haul water instead of automatically giving them water, which is not my favorite part of the year, actually. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Out. Out. Why do you always walk into the wheelbarrow? Let's go. You kick me. Out. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, fellas. Go play with your friends. Hey, Romeo. You used to be able to fit through there. What's up, fellas? Here. Here. You don't lick it. There. Here. Feeling left out, girls? up, buddy? Let's get some hay. A bit more. I want to throw my gloves down there. Let's see, there's Romeo, Henry, and the next one is Luna, and Violet is over there. You see all the dust. Hey, bro. You never see the dust just to the naked eye. I can see it with the camera. Looks like it's snowing up here. I need the ladder, my friend.